This is a complete enterprise-grade multi-agent architecture built on AWS. In my last video, we designed the logical architecture blueprint to safely automate a $10 million business process. Implementing that blueprint from scratch using open source solutions and bare compute becomes a complex integration and infrastructure trap. We may end up spending 80% of our time building multiple components instead of actually building the agents. Major cloud providers are trying to solve this problem by offering platforms that handle the heavy lifting out of the box, allowing us to simplify our agent deployments. Today, we move from theory to concrete implementation. I am going to show you how to design this exact system step by step using the AWS Agentic platform, Bedrock AgentCore. Let's break it down. First is the perception layer, where we can scan and sanitize input data. In the AWS ecosystem, we implement this by using Amazon Bedrock guardrails. It detects and scrubs sensitive data, blocks prompt injections, and sanitizes the inputs before they ever reach the agents. Once the data is clean, it hits the reasoning layer. Instead of managing a Kubernetes cluster or complex compute infrastructure, we can deploy our orchestrator and worker agents directly into the AgentCore runtime. This is a fully managed serverless environment that automatically scales from 0 to thousands of instances. The AgentCore runtime is also framework agnostic. It natively supports agents built with LangGraph, CrewAI, Strands, Google's ADK, Microsoft's AutoGen, or even OpenAI's Agents SDK. And because it integrates natively with Bedrock, we can hot swap foundation models like Claude, DeepSeek, Llama, or Amazon Nova, depending on our cost and capability needs. To maintain context across these specialized agents, we need a robust memory layer. Instead of managing custom databases like Redis or Postgres to track state, we use AgentCore memory. This managed service gives our agents both short-term conversational memory and long-term persistent state. When agents need to interact with external systems, we use the AgentCore gateway. It acts as the central router for our multi-agent architecture. It connects the agents to APIs and SaaS applications through standardized MCP servers while enforcing strict access control. AgentCore Identity handles the identity and access management for the agents. It integrates natively with AWS IAM, but also supports third-party providers like Okta and Microsoft Entra ID. It ensures that when an agent queries an MCP server, it uses a tightly scoped temporary token. This enforces dynamic delegation and strict least privilege access. Finally, we cannot automate a core, highly stakes business process without knowing exactly what the AI is doing. AgentCore Observability component natively streams all traces, agent-to-agent messages, and tool calls into Amazon CloudWatch. This allows us to perform continuous evaluations of the agent's behavior, monitor the system, and trigger alarms if things go wrong. For strict business rules, we use AgentCore Policy. This is a centralized governance engine that runs entirely outside of the agent. Here, we define deterministic policies. The engine intercepts tool calls in real time to ensure the AI never violates corporate boundaries. Building enterprise agents is no longer about chaining API calls together in a Python script. It is about leveraging managed platforms to enforce security, manage states, and ensure observability and governance at scale. Please hit subscribe to help the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next one.